Frustration at Johannesburg's international airport as dozens of people tried to return to the United Kingdom. It comes hours after it was announced a new variant of COVID-19 had been identified in South Africa. That led to the United Kingdom announcing a new travel ban on people coming from southern African countries, including South Africa, Botswana and Zimbabwe.
It's a big inconvenience. We had our flights booked for a week's time, but we got the news from our daughter in the UK about 12:30, 1 o'clock last night, saying that the UK were going to introduce a red list.
It's unfair, it's unjustified, it's abrupt, and it's not good for tourism for South Africa. Ever since these regulations were passed last night, people are frantically trying to get back into the UK.
South African scientists say they're worried existing vaccines may not be effective and the new variant may spread easily.
The genomic surveillance in South Africa has been outstanding throughout this whole pandemic period, and that's why we've been able to identify when changes occur. The fact that we are able to identify changes quickly is good news. It's good news for the world. But we must be careful that we don't then jump to the conclusion of, well, that equals it came from here, it came from there, and it means it's this or that. We need to understand much more about this.
So far, dozens of infections have been identified in South Africa, while in Botswana, the government says the new virus was found in several foreign nationals on a diplomatic visit. While the South African government says it respects the decision taken by the UK and other countries to limit travel to and from the region, and that precautionary measures may be necessary, it says the decision is rushed.
The action of some of countries in terms of imposing travel bans and such measures are completely against the norms and standards as guided by the World Health Organization.
A possible fourth wave compounded by the new variant may further strain an already overwhelmed health system in South Africa. FAHMIDA, Al Jazeera, Johannesburg.